Attitude is one of the 4 channels of confidence. And when I talk about channels, I'm talking about ways that we express our confidence as well as ways that we can build up our confidence from the inside. I believe that we're all confident, born confident. And in fact, we can see that with most small children, they have a certain level of confidence, and actually we learn to suppress that confidence, or we learn to become humble and to become doubtful of ourselves. Confidence is not the same as arrogance. Many people are worried about becoming overconfident, that they might appear arrogant, but actually true confidence is feeling like you don't need to prove anything to anyone. It's not considering yourself better than anyone else. It's simply being comfortable in your own skin. So there's 4 ways, 4 channels that I like to help people grow their confidence, and attitude is the most important one. What is attitude? Attitude is actually the mindset that you have. We all have a set of beliefs about the world, about ourselves, about events, and some of those beliefs support our confidence and some of those beliefs undermine it. So looking at the attitude behind our confidence is really about self-reflection and understanding our self-talk and learning ways to handle our inner critic so that we can be at our best.